Ah, Earth makes no sense. Achoo! And when a human does this, you say bless you, instantly, automatically, like a spell. Why? Are you scared that their soul is escaping? Is that your way of gluing it back in? Achoo! Oh no, my life force is leaking. Quick, someone bless me. But here's the real glitch in your programming. If someone coughs, nothing. Hiccups? Silence. Burps? You just look at them in disgust. Sneeze? Bless. Cough? Ignore. Burp? Exile. I demand sneeze equality. Bless the burps. Salute the hiccups. Console the coughers. Or just say ooh to everything. That's more consistent.